Oh, we're at exploration stations. I'm so excited because these are my favorite. Exploration stations, these are real quick ones to be able to get started with. The first one I want to introduce you to is Trash or Treasure. And Trash or Treasure is one of my all-time favorites because of its adaptability to so many different things. I have 3 little baskets. Remember, we talked about making sure we have an opportunity to make it realistic and wonderful to every child's needs. Well, these little baskets have different things inside of them. One has high frequency words, one has numbers, and one has letters. Because with our very youngest of learners, we're going to be talking about uppercase and lowercase letters. So if I'm working with my youngers, I'm going to have them reach inside is a piece of trash. They unfold the trash, and it's the letter R. Is that a uppercase letter or a lowercase letter? So I have my sheet that says, my recording sheet, uppercase, lowercase. You can change the word trash or treasure to anything you want it to be. Numbers, letters, high frequency words, not a word, you decide. I use trash or treasure, but I would probably have this one labeled uppercase letters, lowercase letters for my very youngest of learners. They need that. They reach in and they pull another one. Oops, just dropped one on the floor. Here's a capital A. It's going to go in the capital letter column. Now, I love to call this the self-cleaning station because there isn't a child that doesn't love to do this. Drop them back in, crunch them up and drop them back in, and it's all set and ready to go for the next student.